guys, you have seen the after look now. I hope you like it. I do try products from Wish, and it is called Satin. So this is the color, and it is the actual true color that came on. I did use the Victoria's Secret Plump Me Up lip gloss, and then put a setting powder on top of it, then the satin. And then, of course, the blush, and I use MAC powder. Now, I'd like to let you guys know that black is very, and so is hot pink. They are very complicated colors, and so I'm going to introduce to you guys, if you have not known yet. For one, your lashes, I will be taking them off. This is from Kiss. Okay, they are all reusable, and you could just take some of the glue off a little bit, off the edges, and if there's still powder on it from the previous or glitter and whatnot, you can use because it is, you know, either your second or third wear, you can just put on the mascara underneath it, over it, to cover it all up, but not so much, just lightly. And now introducing the Garnier. It is the cleansing water. Okay, it is very just a miracle worker. I use this every single day, and it does not keep your face oily, and I always use it before using my actual you know, cleanser to wash my face. So I'll demonstrate real quick. You just use a little bit, a tad bit, any cloth, doesn't matter, and it lasts a very long time. And look at that, all off, one swipe, two swipe. It takes everything off, and to be honest, you don't have to keep wiping it over and over and over again to get it all off, just like all the other makeup removers that you would use. Okay, so it's very it is just very amazing. It is an amazing product, and I promise you guys, you will not regret. There is a smaller bottle, smaller version bottle of this, so for like $4. So you can get anywhere, Walgreens, CVS, anywhere, any of your local drugstore, a grocery store, and so forth. It was great videoing my cat eye, and I hope you guys all liked it. So anything that you would like to let me know, or you want to see more, don't like to see, don't want to hear, just comment me, message me, let me know, and I'll be gladly to reply to you and make your wishes come true. Thank you guys, and I hope you a good day, night, whenever you see this video, or if you even view it. Thanks. Love ya.